Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Madam. I am Grace Macarubo. I am 34 years old. I have 4 children, 13, 12, 4, and 3 years old. I have 1 brother and 5 sisters. I am the second among the family.
Are you afraid of pets like dog or cats?
No, Madam, I am not afraid of pets.
Do you have any experience working in other country?
No, Madam, but I have experience here in the Philippines. I took care newborn baby in 2 years and do my household duties, chores.
Do you know how to take care elderly?
Yes, Madam, through my grandparents at the age of 90 years old.
Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
No, Madam, but I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food.
If you come to Hong Kong, who take care of your children?
My husband will take care of my children, Madam.
Do you like to work with other maids?
It's okay, Madam.
Would you mind if your holiday will fixed by the employer?
Yes, Madam, it's okay. It's okay if my employer will
Fix my holiday.
fix my holiday.
Can you sing children's song?
Yes, Madam. I have 2 hands, the left and the right, holding upright softly and bright. Clap them softly, 1, 2, 3. Little hands are good to see. Hi, Madam. If you hire me, you will not regret.